Good afternoon, you cool cats and stock dummies. This is Stock Dummy. So this is the first time I'm on this platform. This is the first video we're doing, and this is the first day of the channel, which I think it is May 30th. So the whole point of this channel is to learn from my mistakes. If you're lonely, we got a market for you. If you're married, we got a market for you. If you're unemployed, we have a huge market for you. And that market is the stock market. So what I've done is I got my free app and I watched it. Then I was like, this looks so easy. So I put $5,000 into the market and then I lost $1,000. And it wasn't as easy as I thought. Because everywhere I'm going and everything I'm seeing will tell me one thing on one day, all these analysts, I buy what they tell me, it happens to go down, and then they tell me the next day that, you know what, we jumped the gun on this stock, and we should hold off. Well, it's my money I just lost. So there are aspects of what I'm gonna do for you, and you will get a free stock by the end of this video, so please just bear with me a few more minutes, because if you don't invest, you're never ever gonna get out of debt. It's that simple. You're literally gonna go paycheck to paycheck, month to month, and the people that are making money are on the golf course. My best analogy, or the best thing I always say, is be rich. Rich is realizing I create happiness. And you don't necessarily do that working 12, 14 hours a day. So once you find out how to be rich, everything else is gonna fall into line. But that starts with an app. It starts with a stock, and that stock will be free. And I'm going to make investments, and I'm gonna lose money, and I'm gonna make investments, and I'm gonna make money. You are gonna benefit from my losses because you're gonna learn from them. It's gonna be my money I lose. You're gonna benefit from my wins, and that's gonna be money I take. I'm not gonna give that to you. You guys don't get that. That's mine. But I'm gonna take all the risk here. So the first thing I want you to do is there will be a link in my, at the bottom of this video. I want you to push on that link. It's gonna take you to the Robinhood app. All you have to do is download the app, register, and they will give you a free app. Don't put any money in there, just take the free app. The reason I want this video to post Saturday or Sunday is because the market's closed. I want you to play around with it. Now, if I would have known now what I knew then, or what did I say? If I would have known then what I know now, that's what I wanted to say. I wouldn't have lost that 1,000 to come back to 950. But nobody was telling me what to do. Nobody was helping me through this. So I made a mistake, but I changed it. There's ways of cutting bait when you're losing money. There's ways to move money. And once you understand that, there's charts that you can follow that you will find out what the lowest possible price on that was over the last year. I didn't know any of that. I live in Orlando. I like Disney. I put $1,200 in Disney. It went down. How does it go down? It's Disney World. Well, hello. It's quarantine. It's not open. They're not making money. You only make money if they're making money. Oh. Okay, I get that now. It's not just buying something you like. I get Starbucks every day. I bought Starbucks. What? Oh. You're not sitting there playing on your laptop buying a croissant? So I lost money there too. So I changed what I was looking for. Well, there's Pfizer. Well, that's a pharmaceutical company. Well, guess what? That went up. If I didn't learn these things while I was going through them, I wouldn't have changed my trajectory. That's something you guys can learn from. So we're gonna get through this. We're going to figure out how to make money in a quarantine. And hopefully through that, it'll make your life better and you can be rich. And what I mean by being rich is realizing I create happiness. So there are gonna be more videos coming. I know I need to offset some of these losses because I take some risk. The only way for me to offset some of these losses is by you hitting the subscribe and like button on the right side. After that, download the app, take your free stock, don't buy anything. And I'll show you how to put placeholders on stock where you're not gonna lose money. There's a lot to do and not get hurt. But the last thing you wanna do is get excited, put a ton of money in, and lose all your clothing. So stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and just be prepared for more funny videos from Stock Dummy. I'm out.